Before moving on to the troubleshooting methods, make sure you restart your PC. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. If you've already done this and the issue persists, proceed to the next step. To check if your camera is working through Device Manager, right-click on the Windows icon in the taskbar and select Device Manager. Once it opens, locate the Camera section and double-click it to ensure your camera is listed. If the camera is not detected, click on the Action menu at the top and select Scan for hardware changes. This will prompt Windows to search for the camera and add it to the list. If your camera is listed but still doesn't work, right-click it and select Update Driver to ensure the driver isn't outdated. If that doesn't resolve the issue, try disabling the camera by right-clicking it and selecting Disable Device. Confirm the action, then re-enable it by right-clicking and selecting Enable Device. Finally, restart your PC and check if the problem has been resolved. If the camera still doesn't work, review the privacy settings to ensure that apps are allowed to access the camera. Right-click the Windows icon and select Settings, then navigate to Privacy and Security from the left-hand menu. Scroll down to App Permissions and select Camera. Make sure the toggle for camera access is enabled. Additionally, confirm that the specific app you're using, such as Skype, Teams, Discord, OBS, or Google Chrome, has permission to access the camera. If the toggle for any app is disabled, enable it and check again to see if the issue is resolved. If the issue persists, resetting the camera app may help resolve the problem. Right-click the Windows icon and select Settings, then navigate to Apps in the left-hand menu and click on Apps and Features. Use the search bar to locate the camera app in the list of installed apps. Once found, click the three-dot menu next to the camera app and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click the Reset button to restore the app to its default settings. After resetting the app, restart your PC and check if the problem has been resolved. And that's it. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.